Welcome to my car and train channel. Today I am going to present you something which is very unique. This is a live steam locomotive, and yes, you are not dreaming. It's sitting on an HO track from Marklin. So let me put it back. It's a UK AA gauge, which means that it's a HO track, but the scale is slightly bigger. If I remember well, it's 1/76 scale, whereas the typical standard HO gauge is 1/87. The thing which is unique is that it is real live steam, and I'm going to make a demonstration. So I'm going to move it to that temporary bench. For today I just received it, so we are not going to run it on steam, but I will at a later time. So let me see with the camera how it is. I just want to make sure that I have the right focus. Oh yeah, perhaps before we put the air, I want to show you underneath. It's very well done here. The quality of the craftsmanship, by the way, everywhere is absolutely perfect. If you are looking at the soldering, the way it's assembled, kudos to the guy, to the individual, the toolmaker who has worked on it. As you can see here, for example, the quality of the cylinder, it's very good. I'm not sure that I have understood everything, but I think that there are oilers. Here there is what I assume is a throttle, although I was not really able to make it work. And then there is here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me, if I come too close. But there are eccentrics and there are slide valves inside. And so it's a double expansion, two cylinders system. Perhaps a single expansion, maybe, I don't know. But for sure, it's extremely sophisticated for that kind of scale. And I am thinking, I have some friends who are in the hobby, and they complain that when they work on 7.5-inch gauge, even their fat fingers have hard time to go inside the frame. So imagine the work to put together this locomotive. And for example, all the wheels, they are quartered, and it's very smart, with the screw here. So they are welded on one side and adjusted on the other. And this thing is really running very, very smooth. So it's a 280, and that means that it has been very well quartered so that it can run smoothly. I'm not sure if you can see it here, but there is a reversing mechanism, as you could see on the static engine and some of the O gauge. So you are going to see that it runs forward and backwards. So I worked this afternoon to substitute a plug. I drilled here, starting from a screw, so that I can get the air directly inside the boiler. And we are going to test with air this engine. This is the proof in the pudding. As you can hear, well, I am a little bit sick, but I am also thrilled. I need to tell you, I used to have a brass live steam HO locomotive, and there is a link. So if you go below the video, there is a link to my website to that Decoville 040. Unfortunately, at the time when I had less interest in HO, I sold it, and now I am regretting and I am trying to buy it back or to buy a similar engine back. But this one is the same level of quality, so I am very, very happy with the buy. So, here we go. We are going to put the air. I have an air compressor here on the side, showing you, a portion of it. Here we go. Okay, you may see it. Yeah, okay. It's not the most important part. I'm sure you trust me that I have an air compressor. And then we are going to plug it and see how the machine is working. Okay, so you see reverse, and now I'm going to slide in the other direction. And now it's going forward. And I apologize, it seems that it's a little bit vibrating. Perhaps I need to, but you can see the wheels. So let me change the direction of the motion. You just do a 90 degree with your hand, and here we go, it goes backward.